guys, it's Kate, of course. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this wig sent to me from West Kiss Hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested, like always, check below in the description box because there will be links as well as the details to the wig I'm wearing in this video. So I did do some finessing so I would be able to wear this wig in a ponytail, and here are the end results. And this is how I eventually ended up wearing this hair. But let's get into packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. Inside the packaging came with a bonnet, I believe that is, an elastic band. It also came with lashes, an edge brush, and a wig cap. And right here, this is what the wig came in, and it has all the details. You might want to pause this just in case you want to see all the details for the wig I'm showing you in this video, along with the price. So here is construction, and I have to say this wig is constructed so well, down to the sewed-in elastic band, the way the knots are bleached, the way the hairline is plucked, the fact that it's a 13x6, which I can appreciate. Even the quality of this hair is absolutely amazing. But let's get into it. Look at this hairline, you guys. It is nice. I didn't do any plucking, no bleaching. This is how it came. And the hair that's on the lace is nice and flat. So you're not really going to have to put in that much work to make this wig work. You get what I'm saying? And also, my wig is a size small. So if you wanted to wear this glueless, oh my goodness, you can wear it glueless, you guys. Now, the only thing I will say is the elastic band that's sewn into this wig is not adjustable. So it's basically too small. I mean, not too small, too big for my head. So the wig was not really secure, so I did have to go in with some wig adhesive to secure my lace. Y'all, this lace was lacing. Look how seamless and just natural it looks. Now, I will say, you know how sometimes I don't know if this has ever happened to anyone, but sometimes this happens to me where my lace buckles a little bit. I feel like either it's too tight or I don't know, something. But in the front, I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but it's just buckled slightly. And depending on how I turn my head, it's really pronounced, like you can see it. So I did eventually go back. I don't show you in the video, but I do go back and reapply the lace just in the front to get the buckles out, because I don't know, I just did not like that at all. You see it, y'all? But anyway, it blended so good. It looked so good. Like I said, I didn't pluck the hairline. It already came like this. The hair was silky smooth. So let's get into how I transformed this wig to achieve a ponytail. So right here, I am just getting the hair. I do use some thread. This is the hair that I want to take out. The hair that is parted and I'm holding that up, I do cut that. So I cut that piece off and then I sew the back so it won't lift up. And voila, I have me a ponytail where some of my hair is out. Y'all, it was life. I love this ponytail so much. I still have this wig on. I applied this, I don't know what day was the 3rd. It's right there in the background, the 3rd. And today is the Saturday the 5th, 6th, 7th. Today is the 7th. So I've been wearing this wig for a good little minute, you guys, and it's still holding up. I did reapply it once, and I'm in love with this wig, y'all. So this is what it looks like, and like you can see, it's already, the density is nice and full, where because I cut some of the hair off, it's still full. It's not see-through or like choppy in the back where you can see through it. It's still very much full. And I don't really wear this out, but I wanted you guys to see how it straightens and what it looks like once the hair is straight, and just in case you guys was curious to see how it looked once I cut the back off to achieve a ponytail. So yeah, the hair is really, really nice. I like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Have y'all used this method where you kind of like cut off the back of the wig to achieve a ponytail? I want to know. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye y'all.